there, or there. Homophones Quiz. Let's start with a quick description of each word. T-H-E-I-R is a possessive pronoun used to show belonging. T-H-E-R-E indicates a place, position, or existence of something. T-H-E-Y''re is a contraction of they are. Right, it's quiz time. Fill in the blanks using the correct homophone. For every question, A is T-H-E-I-R, B is T-H-E-R-E, and C is T-H-E-Y''re. Let's start. Blank, so pleased Carlos passed first time. The correct answer is C, T-H-E-Y''re. They're so pleased Carlos passed first time. We'll get a taxi and meet you, blank. The correct answer is B, T-H-E-R-E. We'll get a taxi and meet you there. I love the color of blank new sofa. The correct answer is A, T-H-E-I-R. I love the color of their new sofa. The frogs look so cute in blank new pond. The correct answer is A, T-H-E-I-R. The frogs look so cute in their new pond. Look over, blank. I can see something. The correct answer is B, T-H-E-R-E. Look over there. I can see something. Visit the website and subscribe to our channels for more quizzes.